5 lipsticks I'll never buy again. Starting with the Rare Beauty lip oil in the shade Happy. This was touted, like people were raving about this one, and I'm like, okay, I should buy. The color is nice. Chehel also liked it, but it stays on my lips for exactly 2 minutes. I know it's a lip oil, but no need. Second one again is Rare Beauty. Well, I will write down the shade. I can't see. This is the shade that I'm wearing right now. The shade is lovely, but again, with as all Rare Beauty products, they don't stay long. So I really like the shade and I wear it for these videos, but I don't wear it to work or anything. Again, it stays exactly for 2 minutes. I'm very sad to say this one is Dior Rouge. It doesn't give like a great shade on my face. This shade also makes my teeth look yellow. Next is Maybelline Ink Crayon Superstay. I really can't read the shade. It's a nice rich red, just that it dries up my lips like crazy. And the last one, I don't have the proof here with me, but I don't like the Benetint. A lot of people love Benetint, but I don't. It just does not work for me. Tell me what lipsticks I should try and review it for you.